Hey guys, it's Vonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome back to my channel. Today the three of us, where are you, Aaron? He's over there somewhere. We're going on a field trip to Dinosaur World with our homeschool co-op.
He's hanging right there.
So we're gonna take you along with us. So this field trip was from my son's class at his homeschool co-op called Discovering Dinosaurs and Creation Through Apologetics. And it answers questions such as have you ever wondered if the Bible mentions dinosaurs? Were they on the ark? Did they live among man? How long does it really take to form a fossil? And things of that sort.
Fair enough, I guess I didn't want to see. I wanted an adventure.
When you guys come in, we'll need your tickets. I'll give you tools to dig with. You get a cup and a sifter. Find 3 fossils that you want to take home with you. When you find the 3, bring them to me and I'll put them in a bag so you don't lose them, okay?
This is the fossil dig, and it's a 15-minute activity, and the kids get to dig for fossils, and there's everything in here from shark teeth to gastropods to stingray barbs and mosasaur teeth. They can collect 3 of their favorites to take home.
Got some nice fossils. Good job.
Let me see. You want me to hold it for you? You gonna carry it? Oh, here. Put it inside.
In the back is what's special.
Now everybody's gonna get a bag so they can keep track of everything they find. Like I said, everything you guys find here, you'll get to take home.
So this is a Dino Gem excavation. They get to choose a bag or bucket, and they run it through the mining sluice to see what treasures they've discovered. There's real minerals, arrowheads, and gems, and they get to keep everything they find. So this was the Exploration Cave Show, and there was a paleontologist there and it was a 3-part tour. There were 2 paleontologists where they walked through the cave, a dig site, and a workstation. They learned about fossil formation and preservation, and they watched a demonstration on the proper way to excavate a fossil from a site during the interactive experience.
I take the fossils, I wrap it up in newspaper and burlap and plaster.
Size of a banana. She will have
This was the Triviosaurus Rex game show where they got to test their dino knowledge, answering questions correctly about the dinosaurs and then winning a prize. Yeah, it's just the stickers. Did you guys have fun today?
Yes.
No. Yes.
What was your favorite part? What was your favorite part? You have a favorite part?
No.
Alan, did you? Getting stuff. So we could have skipped the whole experience and just went to the store and bought stuff, and you guys would have been happy, right?
No.